Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive on I-90 West in Wisconsin, concurrent with I-39 North. We're in Rock County, which comprises the Janesville-Beloit, Wisconsin Metropolitan Statistical Area and is included in the Madison-Janesville-Beloit, Wisconsin Combined Statistical Area. The county is named for the Rock River, which bisects the county from north to south. Rock County has a population of 163,687. Here we see an overlap with Wisconsin State Highway 11 for a short distance. For some reason, the Wisconsin State Shield, particularly with that number 11 in it, looks like a suspicious owl. We enter the city of Janesville, the county seat of Rock County. The city is named for an early settler, Henry F. Janes, a native of Virginia, who was a self-proclaimed woodsman and early city planner. As the population grew in the Janesville area, several new industries began cropping up along the Rock River, including flour and lumber mills. The first dam was built in 1844. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the Milwaukee Road and Chicago and Northwestern Railroads had freight and passenger rail connections to the city. Passenger rail service continued until 1971. A prominent turn-of-the-century figure in Janesville was George Parker, who developed new pen technologies and styles, and eventually established the Parker Pen Company. His developments included the Lucky Curve ink feed system and the trench pen, a pen commissioned by the U.S. Army for use in World War I. Janesville has 10 historic districts and 34 sites in the National Register of Historic Places. Approaching exit 171A and B, we see a sign overhead announcing the control city as Madison, but with the inexplicable word ahead underneath. US Highway 14 crosses I-90 here. This double interchange features a newly constructed collector-distributor lane that covers 2 exits that connect to highways that are at right angles to each other. Construction is still underway on the eastbound lanes. Notice the cloud of dust on the right just ahead. We suspect that someone may have gone off the road, but we couldn't see any wreckage or other evidence of what may have happened, although a stopped tractor-trailer a little ways down the road may have had something to do with it. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. We conclude today's video at mile 162. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.